Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets. Yes, black color. The next one is blue color. Stay with us. Orange color, orange color. Kids, the next one is silver color. Silver color. Persian blue color. Stay with us. So many colors. White, white color. Yes, light pink color. So many colors. Red color, red color. Light green color. Yes, brown color. Yellow color. The next one is dark pink color. Dark green color. And the last one is, yes, sky blue color. Kids, today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to R. Stay with us. A, B, C, D, E, F, F, G, G, H, H, and the next one is I, J, J, K, K, L, M, N, O, O, P, P, Q, R, R. Now start writing alphabets. First we're writing the alphabet of A, and now we're using the color of, yes, yellow. Yellow color. A for apple, A for ant. The next one is B. Now we're using the color of light pink color. B for ball, B for bat, C for cow. The next one is D. D. D for dog, D for doll. Yes, light green color. E for egg, F for fish, F for fan. Red color. G for God. G. H. H for hand. I. J. J for joker, J for jackfruit, K for kite. So now we're using the color of Persian blue color. L for lemon, M for moon, N for mango, N for nose, N for nest. Orange color. Yes, O. The next one is P. P. Q for queen. And the last one is R. R for rose, R for rice. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.